Model, 2012 Ford Transit 350F long wheelbase, 2.2 TDCi rear-wheel drive LUTON box with tail lift spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 215,359 MOT, the 17th of March 2024 engine, 2,198 cc 2.2125ps TDCi-G transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing chain has snapped, clutch and gearbox look good condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Nice clean LUTON with working tail lift features, 3 former keepers, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400